All right, for your basic classic tween, just moving across the scene, you're going to create a layer, drag your item into the first frame of that layer, like so, and you'll see a black dot in frame 1. Then scrub your timeline over. So let's say I want to go to about 20, and it'll say 20 here. And then at this point, you're going to reposition with your move tool, your selection tool, your character. Okay, now if I move this over, you can see it put in a keyframe. You can also press F6 to put in a keyframe. If you want to rotate it around or make it bigger or smaller, press Q. That gives you your transform handles, and then you can rotate it a little bit. So again, I'm going to follow this process. I'll go to 40. I'm at 40. I could go ahead and press F6 or just go ahead and move it. Say I move it here, and then I'll go ahead and rotate it a little bit so it's down. Okay, and then once again, I'll go to say 60. Position it somewhere else. Maybe I want to have it turned down a little bit more. And then finally, let's say 80. And we're going to go off of the screen, so I'm going to zoom out a bit so I can drag it down. And then position it down here somewhere. Maybe rotate it a little bit too. Okay, now, so what you're going to have is jumpy animation because we have to add what are called tweens in between each of the black dots. So in between where each keyframe is, click one time and then right click and create a classic tween. It's all the way at the top. Do it again, right click classic tween, right click classic tween, right click classic tween until you get to your stopping point. And then if you play it back, it should be moving just like so.